like that. And to take that a step further, to go into one of my favorite topics is the digital twin.
Hmm.
And it's kind of very similar on the same kind of lines because, I think the central point for any enterprise now should be a digital twin of the enterprise. Now, digital twins obviously for now are really focused on kind of physical assets, like actually a physical building and a physical plant. But they don't
Right.
have to be. A digital twin can be a twin of anything. It can be a twin of your operation, even if you're a service company. And what I think is really interesting that Microsoft's doing here and Google's doing the same thing is starting to not just offer a raw technology. So I've been following a number of kind of raw technologies like Cambridge Semantics, Quantexa that are building the kind of graph technologies that underpin this.
Hmm.
But now they're starting to put together industry specific digital twins. So and what I thought is likely to start happening as we move forward is, again, we mentioned before about, is what you're building a commodity or is it actually something that's important for your business?
Hmm.
If you're building, for example, in construction, let's say you're in construction or real estate, you've got a physical asset. It's a truck. You building a digital twin of that truck is really a commodity because lots of other businesses have the same truck. So if you could buy that digital twin of that truck without having to manage it, and maybe you've got a fleet of them, that saves you time. You building it yourself offers you no business benefit. And so what Microsoft seems to be doing is starting to build industry specific digital twins. And what you can imagine then, and here Google is launching a digital twin tool focused on logistics and manufacturing because logistics have all sorts of physical assets. But again, it doesn't have to be physical. These could be digital twins for services. But imagine if you could build a digital twin of your business by, instead of actually building the digital twin, just building components and plugging them together because they're already there. Somebody's Google or Amazon or IBM or whoever's building them out of services. So let's say you've got a logistics component to your business, which many businesses have. You don't build the logistics digital twin. You just get Google's pre-built logistics template essentially and customize it. So what it's doing then is, like Explorium, what you need is data to be able to answer a question. And the digital twin starts to build all that data for your particular business. So it's a, we might talk about that separately, but it's a big theme. But what I think is interesting is seeing that space progress from just having the technology to build a digital twin to actually these platforms starting to build out industry specific digital twins in the same way we're seeing, industry specific use cases for AI as well.